We hope everyone is preparing well for the situation test Nift 2022. We've just come live to let you know regarding the latest update for the same. So the Nift situation test, as most of you all are already aware, would be conducted from the 2nd of April to the 5th of April 2022. With a lot of exams being scheduled in the coming 2 or 3 months, there are lots of confusions regarding the dates. So a lot of them are overlapping or are very much close or adjacent to the board exams. So what do you do when your exams are pretty much close or when they are overlapping with the Nift situation test? There has been an update about this from the Nift. If you want to change your date or center for the Nift situation test, normally under normal circumstances, they don't permit the change of situation test center. So whatever you have chosen and whatever you have got in the admit card would be final. But if at all on a worst case scenario, you want to change the same, you will have to send a mail with the subject line, I want to change the date of my situation test or I want to change the center. Okay, you can share, you can include in that particular mail all the content related to things like, let's say, for example, your details, your name, roll number, application ID, and things like that. Your roll number in the Nift situation test admit card. So you can mention all of that, preferably add, if you are talking about your school exams or board exams coming very much close to it, then please do add the document, an official document of something from the website which mentions about the scheduled exam date, that it is falling overlapping with your Nift situation test or anything of that sort, or provide an official link to the website of your board, which are the ones who are authorized to put the exams schedule. So give things like that. And if they feel that it is genuine, they're saying that they would look into it. And if possible, they would give another date or probably another time or another center. Okay. The most important thing here to note is that the last date to apply for this particular session, the last date to apply for the request of change of date or center is today, 23rd of March, 2022. Okay. So if you want to change your date or center because of the board exams clashing with your Nift situation test, you can send a request. There is no guarantee that it would change. Okay, you can still send a request, and to which ID the request has to be sent, I would request the host to please share the same in the live chat box. Okay, so other than that, there has been a few other intimations from Nift along with this, like let's say, for example, which are the dates on which situation test and GDPI is going to be conducted. It is from 2nd to 5th, the situation test, and GDPI would be from 7th to 27th. Okay. We hope that in your admit cards, you might have got the exact dates on when exactly they're going to conduct the same. Okay. So please note the email ID, which has been shared in the live chat box. Okay. Any more questions? Please do not hesitate to ask in the live chat box. Okay. Then GD and PA, it would be physically conducted in the Delhi campus of Indian Social Institute. Okay, I think most of those things everyone is clear about. Then answer keys are already published, so that will also be available. These are some of the FAQs that Nift has recently answered. If you have any other queries, questions regarding admissions and all, please refer to the prospectus. And if you have further doubts, you can write to them in the particular email ID that I have mentioned. Okay. You cannot change the course now. There was a couple of requests from 2 students requesting that how would they able to be change the course that they want to do. No, that won't be possible as of now. Okay. There's been questions regarding the TAT test, TAT test, and what exactly would be the kind of questions that will be coming up. So you're requested to refer to the admission prospectus. You can also contact them. Okay. If you want this particular PDF that I am sharing right now, we would make it available in the Telegram channel, the public Telegram channel that we have. The link for the same, I would request the host to share it. Okay. So the most important thing that I wanted to tell you that is that you can submit a request for change of date or change of center in the Nift situation test. Okay. How do you do that? You will have to send a mail. You will have to send a mail to the email ID that's mentioned here. Okay. With this particular subject line of I want to change the date of my situation test or the center of my situation test. Mention all the details, also the reason. If possible, include as many authentic documents as possible. The timetable of the board that has been published, the link for the timetable from the website and all. Okay, that this is how students from our institute have requested, and they've got a reply from the Nift. So we just thought of sharing the same. Okay, hope your preparations are going on well. Our Nift situation test batches are going in full swing. If you want to join, you can contact us at 8086 111 488. Okay, so that would be it from my side. That would be it from THiNC Institute of Design until we see you in the next session. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, host.